Everyone's watching crypto and stocks, but the real move just happened in the bond market. The US just sold $44 billion in 7-year notes at a 3.79% yield. And almost no one understands why that matters. This isn't just a bond auction. This is a liquidity signal. If demand was strong, money is comfortable locking in yield. If demand was weak, yields rise, the dollar strengthens, and risk assets feel pressure. But here's the part most traders ignore: the Fed's reverse repo facility. When institutions park cash there, it tells you liquidity is being absorbed. Less liquidity in the system equals less fuel for risk rallies. Bond demand, reverse repo usage, liquidity flow. That's what drives dollar direction, equity risk appetite, gold reactions, even crypto momentum. Not Twitter sentiment. The stock market reacts, the bond market decides. Watch liquidity. Wisdom leads, action follows.